the Play-Doh Minions. Hi guys, I'm going to review Play-Doh Minions. This is my toy for the egg hunt. This is Play-Doh Disguise Lab. It's for ages 3 and up. Four cans of Play-Doh. Purple, yellow, orange, blue. And it comes with 2 minions.
You take the plunger and you lock it like this. You turn it. And then you put the seat on top.
Whoa! 2 birds. I'm gonna make the mustache.
I'm gonna make the tie. I'm gonna make the duster.
Play-Doh Minion is so cool. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.